Hey dog. G'day, it's Anne from VisionLINE Fireplaces here at my home in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne. Unfortunately, we find ourselves in lockdown number 6. So while I'm at home, while we've got the kids at home, we thought we'd cook some pizzas up today on our newly released VisionLINE pellet-fired pizza oven. I've got our homemade dough proofing at the moment on the inside, so it's a good time to show you how I light this to get some authentic wood-fire pizza flavours. So on the back of our pizza oven, we have the pellet basket. So this pellet basket here is where we feed our pellets into, which is where the fire is going to be burning. It's going to draw it to in via the back of there, and you can see how we've got a bunch of holes up the top there that obviously enable that air to pass through and keep the fire going. When we load this thing up for our first burn, we want to have about 2.5 cups of pellets to begin with a couple of firelighters on top. And what you want to ensure is at least the top line is going to be clear, so that way air can actually pass through and have complete combustion, so it doesn't smoke too much on ignition. So we've had our 15-minute preheating time. The oven's sitting at about 350 degrees Celsius, so about 650 Fahrenheit. We've got our pizza ready to go on our pizza peel here. This is not the one that comes with the unit, but it's one that I had at home, so we'll give it a shot. So now we'll just take it off the door. Take the door off and slide him in. And hopefully in about 2 minutes that's going to be ready to go. Should be ready to go. How's that? Go for it, guys.